Hello everyone, welcome back to another Gosford Station vlog. In this vlog I'm going to be trying to do buses and trains, so I'll record some buses first and point over to the train station, which is just over there. What we can see in front of us right now is Bustech VST Mark III on a MAN 18.3 10 chassis. Those two there, both the exact same thing, Bustech VST Mark III, MAN 18.3 10. That one is a express body metro chassis on an Iveco metro, express body metro body on an Iveco metro chassis. One behind it is a Bustech VST Mark IV, I believe that is. I know it's the same chassis as that one, my bad. The express body, and I can't exactly tell what's behind that one, but yeah, those are the buses you can see in front of you. Bustech VST Mark III 5718 MO, MAN 18.310 chassis, out of potting, not in service. I am sitting down now, yeah, because my feet hurt, and yeah, it is hot also. Also got the express body now trying to depart after this bus. That is 7791 MO, also not in service. Bustech VST Mark III again, MAN 18.310 chassis. Bustech VST Mark IV, departing for Route 44 to Springfield, Iveco Metro chassis. Another Bustech VST Mark IV, same chassis, Route 19 to Wyong, Beta Bay Square. Bustech VST Mark III, MAN 18.310, now departing for a 66C to Avoca by Kincumber. Bustech VST Mark IV, Iveco Metro chassis, Route 42 to Point Frederick. Leader of the fleet 2. Bustech VST Mark IV, MAN 18.320 chassis, not in service. PCI City Rider, not in service. PCI City Rider, Route 40 to, it's the North Gosford Loop. Go to CB80, MAN 19.320, Route 38 to Wyoming. Bustech VST Mark III. I think that's the one that we saw before. Just came to come back around to actually pick up the passengers. Bustech VST Mark III and 18.3 10 chassis. Once again, another Bustech VST Mark III and another Bustech VST Mark III. Starting to believe Busways only has Bustechs in their fleet. Well, they may as well, but yeah. Alright, we're now at the station. We've got an Oscar here, just no car Oscar that's come back from Newcastle or Sydney, I don't know, one or the other. And it's just terminated here. I think it's going to start service soon. We just had an 8-car Oscar. Okay, well, this one's leaving now, I think. I heard the whistle, I don't know. Oh yeah, it is leaving, just front 4 cars apparently. Don't know what's up the rear for, but let's see which way it's going. Oh, they uncoupled. Oh, okay, no, that makes sense. Didn't know that. No, I guess this is 4-car Oscar now. But, yeah, we just had an 8-car Oscar late depart platform 2 for a express service Newcastle interchange. That's what I was trying to remember. It's currently 5:24 p.m. No, it doesn't look it, but it is. This is daylight savings. And yeah, there's a train just over there. I'll try and do it a bit more. Just crossed over there. One thing I've just noticed actually, I haven't been to Gosford Station itself, like the train station, a little bit, just because I don't catch trains, so I've had no reason to. But they've had a bit of station upgrade. I don't know what that 4DD means, maybe double decker, but I don't know why it's a 4DD there. But anyway, I thought I'd show you something right down against the station. I'll cut back when I'm there. Well, there goes that train. It's a 4R Oscar, no passengers, it's empty. I think it's just going back to the depot, which would make sense. Going pretty fast actually. Yeah, still said Gosford on it, so that's just terminating. Now I guess I'll keep recording because I'm almost on the end of the platform anyway. So just down here, they must have had an extension of the platform or something, maybe, I don't know. Well, Gosford Station's pretty long anyway, but down the end here, they've also got an ADD marker there. So I also got a 10-car marker right there. Now that's for the 10-car NIF D sets, or New Intercity Fleet sets. D, I don't know what it stands for, but I guess it's the same reason why Oscars are called H sets and V sets and all that. So yeah, it's a 10-car marker for a 10-car NIF D set, because they come in either 6 or 4 car formations, or you can have an 8-car for 4 NIF D set, 4-car sets. I don't know, something like that. That's probably due to the severe weather that's up in Sydney. There's also a lift upgrade here. So there's a, I've always noticed the other elevator back behind that shop. Wonder why it was never used, but I guess it's just a replacement for right now, because as you can see, there is no elevator in there. None up there, nothing up there. Pretty cool. As you can see, the doors are like gone, so yeah, I don't know, they're always a bit rackety, but I understand why. We got a V set approaching. V14, it's the front half. Rear half V13.
Facing the wire, now on front of the door on the wire. Any customers needing to use the lift, please go down past the shop around the back of the shop for the service lift. Just repeating, any customers needing the lift, please go down.
V13 and V14 now departing. Hamilton Newcastle service. Now departing. Hamilton Newcastle service. One thing I noticed is that they actually have flashing lights up there when the doors are closing. I don't know if that's new or not, but cool. And there goes that one. V3. Fun fact with the V sets. So V1 to V29 I believe are camshaft V sets, and V30 to V51 are chopper V sets. I think. Gonna play a game of cricket or something down there. Something else I thought I'd show, which is pretty interesting. The screens now show the train length on them. It's pretty cool, and show you which car to ride in. Cool. Here's something pretty cool. The Oscar with the Kurikuri Knockout livery. Didn't expect to see that. I'm on platform 1 right now because I'm about to catch a train to Hornsby to record some trains up there. I've been to Hornsby before and definitely haven't gone by myself, so we'll see how this goes. I'll put that in a separate video though, but yeah, this is just a Wyong service. 8 cars, I forgot what sets they are, but yeah, Kurikuri Knockout train. Bring them over safely, that's pretty cool, didn't expect to see that. Kurikuri Knockout train, now departing. I wonder if this is the train that has the black front on it, because I know there's one Oscar that has a black front instead of a blue one. So is this the one? Nope, it also has a blue front, but yeah, I don't know, that's pretty cool. Alright guys, this will be the end of this vlog. I'm going to go on board H4, which is going to Central via Strathfield, and I'm going to get off in Hornsby and record some trains there, but that'll be coming in another vlog. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. See ya.